Hi, my name is Niza, and today I will show you how to make your own homemade hot pink beef cheeseburger. Okay, let's use the turbo chopper to chop up these onions. Okay, so onions are in. All you have to do is just cover it. Few pulls, 288 cuts in less than 15 seconds. Now we'll use the Fusion Master with the mincer. So we've diced up the meat. This is about 300 grams of sirloin. Into the top of the Fusion Master, put the plunger in, and then all you have to do is just grind up the meat. The good part about the Fusion Master is you know what kind of meat you're putting in. You're not doing the store-bought meat with additives and preservatives. Everything is homemade and natural. Some black pepper, some white pepper, bit of salt, some Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg, the onions. Now just use your hand to mix it, put it into a ball, flatten it out to a nice thick and juicy patty. And now let's make the sauce with our Speedy Chef. To give it that pink color, just make sure you get the red dragon fruit. With a few quick pulls, you've got dragon fruit puree. So first off, we're using yogurt, and we'll drop in tomato sauce, some sweet relish, a little bit of vinegar, some sugar, a bit of black pepper, a little bit of our dragon fruit puree for that special pink color. Replace the cover, let's just mix it up. And voila, you have your pink sauce ready for your burgers or your salads. Okay, now we'll use the Tupperware 28cm Black Series frying pan. Okay, first off, we'll put a bit of oil. Just drop your patties inside. Okay, now just pop on the lid. After we flip the burgers, double cheese, and then just cover it to melt the cheese. So it'll be another 2 minutes. We have our coral lettuce, our tomato, and we'll put on our beef patty, drizzle on our special pink sauce. Then we'll top it up